For the last 6 to 7 years, we have been installing solar systems in rice mills across West Bengal. But we kept noticing the same pattern. Even with high quality panels and proper engineering, most rice mill solar plants were generating only around 1200 to 1250 units per kilowatt per year. The reason was not poor design. The reason was that rice mills constantly release husk particles and chimney exhaust. When solar panels are installed on rooftops, they sit directly in that dust-heavy environment. Over time, dust accumulation reduces efficiency, increases cleaning frequency, and lowers overall generation. For years, this was considered normal, but we decided to challenge that. At Amaresh Rice Mill, we implemented a different approach. Instead of installing the plant on the rooftop, we designed a ground-mounted solar system in a cleaner, open area outside the mill premises. We also used bifacial solar panels. The result has been extraordinary. In the last 1 month alone, this plant generated over 42,000 units of electricity. Based on current performance trends, the system is on track to achieve more than 1400 units per kilowatt per year. The difference is simple: cleaner environment, better airflow, less dust deposition, higher efficiency, better long-term output. Ground-mounted systems are also easier to maintain. Cleaning is safer, faster, and more effective compared to rooftop installations inside industrial dust zones. For rice mill owners, electricity is one of the biggest operational costs. Higher solar generation directly means lower grid dependency, reduced electricity bills, and stronger profit margins. This case study proves one thing clearly: solar performance is not only about panels, it is about smart placement. If you are planning solar for your rice mill, do not just ask for installation. Ask for optimized performance. Because when solar is designed correctly, it does not just save electricity, it builds long-term profitability. Contact us to evaluate your site and see how a properly planned ground-mounted solar system can maximize your return.